I'm Ernie. I am a print solution specialist. Part of OBS Inc., formerly part of C10 Club when I had my square body.
My name is Eddie and I build trucks on the weekend.
Growing up, played with a lot of Legos, took apart the Hot Wheels, did my own customization, added the big tires in the back, small ones in the front, and just grew from there.
Same. When I was a kid, growing up building Legos, competing with neighbors, trying to see who could build the better, faster little cars off the driveways. It's just progressed to this. So this is a 99 two-door Tahoe.
I purchased this from Wolf over at Crown Suspension. Through the years, it's been through a couple different people here.
When I first bought it in 2016, I believe, it was one of those Pomona finds, like $2,000. The guy pulled it in, I saw it in line, chased him down, made him an offer, and he sat on it for hours that day, and then finally he called me back and said, yeah, I'll take it. So the truck came out of Vegas, but it was one of those rare Pomona finds that you hear about sometimes. And I drove it for years, and then came up with a plan with Tino over at Max Built when he started his shop to do a kind of a build, complete kind of restoration, and we decided to use this truck. Did a complete repaint on it, 90s style at the time. It had 17-inch Boyd style wheels to fit more of a throwback look from the 90s. Again, color matching everything. We used, at the time, Crown Suspension, a 5.7 drop, just to give it the right height. But since then, I mean, we've done some upgrades, American Racing wheels, now Aldan Coilovers in the front, Aldan Shocks in the rear, soon to be Aldan Coilovers in the rear.
And it's just an ongoing project. We continue to improve it. So we're going to readjust the stance of the vehicle by adding the Aldan Coilovers with the 4-link conversion in the rear.
So the reason Aldan specifically on this is because the adjustability that these coilovers give us, the ride it gives us, as opposed to just a regular coil and standard shock. This unit itself just gives us just a better feel on the road. And then same with the rear. These Tahoes tend to be a little heavy in the back, so the adjustability of those shocks let you kind of tune it a little bit better for just street driving, not necessarily just weekend driving, so it's comfortable.
For me, it was all about the stance and having a local American-made product on this vehicle. The suspension is very important to me, to get that correct stance and the driving experience as you're doing these cruises out there.
Yeah, drivability, working in conjunction with your wheel and tire package, having the adjustability of coilovers, it's important.
My favorite thing about this vehicle is it's an original two-door Tahoe, two-wheel drive, and they're getting a little harder and harder to find these days. Probably one of the coolest features, Eddie built it.